How to fix the Shopee M02 error that cannot be redeemed. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Shopee M02 error that cannot be redeemed. Open the Shopee app and log in to your account. You will see recommended products for you on the home page. To view the details about the product you want, simply tap on it. Go to the Add to Cart option at the bottom of the screen. Select the product type and tap the Add to Cart button. Your product will be added to the cart. Tap on the trolley icon at the top right side to view your cart. Search for the option Platform Voucher and tap it. You have to select any Shopee voucher here. You can choose only one voucher at a time and tap OK. Go back to your home screen and tap on Vouchers. You will find different vouchers. Scroll down and review all vouchers. To use the voucher you want, tap on the Claim button. Tap on the voucher that you have claimed to open its details. You will find a detailed description of the voucher. If you want to use the voucher, then tap on Use Voucher. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.